Lines. Now, intersecting lines, two lines common at one end point. Okay, one common point intersecting. Okay, two lines intersecting at one common point. Acute angle. This is acute angle. Measures less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Are called acute angle. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. Straight angle measures 180 degree. Reflex angle measures 240 degree. Reflex angle measures 240 degree. This is right angle, exactly 90 degree. Exactly one angle is 90 degree. Is called right angle. That's all. Thank you.
Potato, and we added iodine solution to the potato. Then it turning to the black color, bluish color. This shows starch is present in potato. Thank you.
Service has the CEO of both Alphabet LLC and Google LLC. His journey from middle class to upbringing in India to leading one of the world's largest tech companies is a testament his intelligence, hard work and leadership skills. He was born on 10 June 1972. His age now 53 years. He was born in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. His father was an electrical engineering and his mother a stenographer. He completed his schooling at Jawahar Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School and Vanavani School. He earned a B. Techno-Metallurgical Engineering from IIT Kharagpur, where he was recognized with an Institute Silver Medal career at Google.
Joined Google in 2004. Italy worked on Google Toolbar, which is the smallest two-digit number. Pass to the second standard. 10 is the correct answer. Second question for second standard. Which is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number. 1 is the correct answer. Third question for third standard. Which is the smallest even number? 2 is the correct answer. Fourth question for fourth standard. How many sides does a square have?
Okay,
3. 4 is the correct answer. Fifth question for fifth standard. Who discovered zero? Aryabhatta is the correct answer. Sixth question for sixth standard. What is the sum of all the interior angle of a triangle? 180 degree. 180 degree is the correct answer. Seventh question for seventh standard. Whose birthday is celebrated as a National Maths Day?
Who
birthday celebrated in? Srinivas Ramanujan is the correct answer. Eighth question for 8th standard. Which country invented mathematics? This is the correct answer. Ninth question for 9th standard. Algebraic identities expanded form of a plus b all cube.
A plus B bracket cube. I gave algebraic identities, no? A plus B whole cube formula. For 9th standard. Whole cube. A plus B whole cube.
plus 3ab a bracket a plus b.
Correct answer. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. 10th question for 10th standard. Algebraic identities expanded form of x plus a into x plus b.
x plus
X plus b, x plus a into x plus b.
x plus a into x plus b. Correct answer.
Correct answer. X square plus a plus b x plus ab. Thank you.
Like that.